Welcome to Exodus versus Trust Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description. In this video, we'll compare these two popular wallets, highlighting their features, target users, and key differences to help you decide which one suits your needs. Exodus Wallet is a visually appealing desktop and mobile-compatible wallet designed for beginners and experienced users alike. Its primary appeal lies in its intuitive interface and built-in portfolio tracker, making it ideal for those who want to manage their crypto assets easily. Exodus supports over 200 cryptocurrencies and offers an integrated exchange feature, allowing users to swap assets without leaving the app. Its desktop app is particularly well suited for users who prefer managing their crypto on a larger screen. While Exodus is non-custodial and keeps your private keys locally, it doesn't offer advanced DeFi integrations or direct DApp access, which might be a drawback for users involved in decentralized finance. Trust Wallet, on the other hand, is a mobile-first wallet backed by Binance. It supports a broader range of blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and other EVM-compatible networks. Trust Wallet's standout feature is its seamless DApp browser, enabling users to connect to DeFi platforms, NFT marketplaces, and staking services directly from their wallet. It also offers built-in staking for select cryptocurrencies and access to decentralized exchanges, DEXs. Trust Wallet is designed for users who need a mobile-friendly solution and want to explore the broader crypto ecosystem. However, its mobile focus might limit users who prefer desktop access for detailed portfolio management. So, which wallet is better? If you prioritize a clean interface, built-in portfolio tracking, and desktop access, Exodus is an excellent choice. For users looking for mobile-first functionality, DeFi access, and staking options, Trust Wallet is the superior option. Both wallets are non-custodial, secure, and easy to use, but the choice depends on your specific needs and how you interact with crypto. Check out the links in the description to explore both wallets and decide which one aligns with your crypto goals.